Hello to anybody watching out there. This is Nate Zaplater from Engineering Symbiosis AD. I'm coming at you with my 5th whiteboard lecture video announcement. It will be on symbiotic syntropic electrical cycle theory, or symbiotic electrical syntropy theory, or symbiotic syntropic electrical cycle theory, whichever you like. It will be about my theory of symbiotics, or urban ecological news prosthetics, to fix the problems with classical electroculture or electrical agriculture. There were some breakthroughs, as far as I understand, in World War II in Britain, or small breakthroughs in the increasing of yield with classical electroculture, but I don't think it proved energetically viable enough to scale up post World War II, which is why I don't think the Ministry of Energy of Britain kept it going, but I could be wrong about that. Part of the history of electroculture or electrical agriculture. So I'm going to be showing you guys how, by applying the same logic of symbiotics or urban ecological news prosthetics, how applying that same logic to industrial electricity of the urban cities or urban environments, and creating an electrical energy flow between natural and urban environments through simple capacitor and voltage capacitor and current flow between natural and building environments, can actually help rebuild the lithosphere and the metallosphere, or the metallic part of the lithosphere, as well as the sediment and soil cycles, because electricity at certain voltages can help break down certain minerals that are difficult to break down without certain microorganisms like worms or microbacteria for certain soils, as well as certain rock sediments, as well as helping realign certain mineral and crystalline lattice structures. So, through my theory of the symbiotic syntropic electrical cycle theory, it's my theory that we wouldn't have to completely replace the electrical grid from the bottom up, and all we would have to do is make simple housing and building retrofits to allow for two-way electrical flow between building and natural environments, from excess electrical energy from buildings that are being unused, that is, electricity flowing to buildings or homes but not being utilized, or excess electricity being used in buildings that are vacant, so like office buildings that have the lights on all night long without people using the office spaces, or just vacant buildings in general, and energy that would otherwise be flowing to those vacant buildings or homes that still have the capacity to run electrical electrical systems, but are otherwise vacant, and still have currents flowing, but because of not using the breakers and switches, the electricity isn't going in. So a way of siphoning that electricity from vacant homes or building spots, or absentee ownership, to create electrical flow, both high and low voltage, between natural microecosystems and urban environments. Alright, guys, and this has been Nate Zaplater from Engineering Symbiosis AD, and I hope you guys tune in for the 5th whiteboard lecture on Symbionics UENP plus electroculture equals symbiotic syntropic electrical cycle theory. Thanks, guys.